From world-class resorts, upscale shopping, dining, and entertainment, to private country clubs and international sporting events, art, music, and film festivals, there is no better place to learn about the hospitality industry than in Greater Palm Springs. Earn a hospitality management business degree in the heart of a thriving $9 billion industry. The hospitality program at California State University San Bernardino's Palm Desert campus gives students an immersive hands-on education. Taught by industry experts, courses will prepare students for a successful career in the global or vibrant local tourism and hospitality market. Learn how to manage a hotel or restaurant, execute a large-scale event, or market a brand. The Hospitality Management Program at CSUSB covers it all, from accounting and finance to economics and entrepreneurship. Become a hospitality professional in the center of a world-renowned tourism destination. Play a vital role in meeting industry expectations and help define the future of hospitality.